Not only did he shoot at her 7 times, he then proceeded to pistol whip her. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. Trying to create a community of well thinkers, and I want you to be a part of it. So this Detroit man went to his wife place of employment, pulled up on her, shot at her 7 times. She tried to run into her co-worker's car. He stopped the door from being closed and then pistol whip her. What's the reason for this? Allegedly, he found out that his 3 children that they have together, none of them were his. Fortunately, she was taken to the hospital and she survived. Now he might be facing life in prison. If the allegations are true, does that justify his actions? No. But if I'm willing to be honest, will I sit here and tell you that what he did was inconceivable to me? No. I mean, think about it. 3 children. None of them belonging to you. That's a level of betrayal that no man or woman wants to feel. So rightfully, if he gets the right lawyer, he could plead momentary insanity. But hey, these are my thoughts. What are yours?